Before operation, please prepare riveting gun, rivets 4x8 metal holder, tray for later installation. This video will show you how to install metal holder for tag on tray drawer. This is metal holder. Put it at the bottom of the tray and make sure the holes are aligned. This is 4x8 rivets. Put it through the hole. Make sure the rivet through the riveting gun. Like this. Make sure the riveting gun in the correct mode for later installation. Put it through the rivet. Then turn on the riveting gun. Take out the rivet bar. Same operation. Then the metal holder will be fixed at the bottom of the tray. Before operation, please prepare number tag and tweezers for later installation. Take a number tag and put it at the middle of the metal holder. Move it with tweezers to ensure it is at the middle of the slot. Same operation. That's it, thanks for watching.